Okay guys, what's up? Day one of the $2,000 challenge, and like I said, I put just a little bit more. I didn't end up putting $2,100 in. I think it was like $2,050, just so I have a little bit of wiggle room. But anyways, this is the start of it, and this is what I played today, BLDP. Mainly because it had news this morning, really early, and then it also got picked on some Mallards top thing for today. But anyways, this is what we really want to look at. As you see this trend line, it never broke it. It came really, really close, but it never actually broke it to the other side, which is why I got in here. So I ended up getting in at 344. Oh, I'm on the wrong one. 344. It's at the bottom of this candle. As soon as it created another candle, I was in. And I ended up holding it through this thinking it could end up rising up here. It did not, and I ended up selling it right in here about the 360, or not 360, I don't know what I'm saying, about the 358 mark. So you do the math, not too bad. I know there's a lot of lines right in here, but here we'll get rid of some. Get rid of the trend line because we don't really need it anymore. So these three lines are really the only things that you needed. This was because it's where it topped out in the past and where it's been, like it kept coming down. You see all these little ones, and then eventually, as soon as that news came out where it was he picked it, it popped up, and then at the market open bounced up, and then it ended up falling down pretty much to this, and I didn't end up getting in yet. I waited until this second candle, and then it took off. Um, Not an amazing run up, but again, what is that? 44 to 58. I mean, that's more than 10 cents a share. I mean, I'm gonna take that all day long. Yes, it was more than $2, but I think I ended up getting 500 shares, somewhere around that. So we're increasing all the way up. And then the next trade will be just a little bit more money I'll use. So today I believe I used $1,700, maybe a little bit more. I know I didn't use 1,800, but tomorrow's or Wednesday's trade, I probably won't trade tomorrow since I have class early in the morning and I can't really do much. That's another reason why I started this challenge. So Wednesday, we're going to go on ahead and probably use probably 18 or 1900 and start putting more in. Now, if it's not as good setup as this was this morning, or it's just not a good setup at all, we don't trade at all. That's gonna help you not blow up your account. So again, today's trade recap is BLDP. Very simple. It was up on news and everything else, and then it just kind of dipped this morning, started selling off as soon as the bell rung, and then took off. And you could have ended up buying in here pre-market and selling into this. Again, it wouldn't have been a whole lot of profit, but it would have been some. So with that being said, that is today's trade. And thank you guys for watching. Please hit that thumbs up. Tomorrow's video will be longer and more informative. Thank you guys for watching.